In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the magic eraser tool in Canva. If you've ever had an image with a distracting object in the background, or maybe a logo or watermark you wish you could remove, this tool is going to be your new best friend, whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting your Canva journey. The magic eraser is one of those features that instantly makes your editing process smoother and more professional. So grab your image, open Canva, and let's dive right in together. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. A quick reminder before we begin, this feature is available only for Canva Pro users. So if you're on the free plan, you might see the option but won't be able to use it unless you upgrade. Now, once you're inside your Canva workspace, open the project that contains the image you want to edit. Click on your image and you'll notice it gets highlighted with a border. That means it's active and ready to be modified. At the top of your screen, you'll see an option labeled Edit Image. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a panel on the left side of your screen with a variety of editing options. Filters, adjustments, and of course, the magic tools. Scroll down a little until you see Magic Eraser. It might have a sparkle icon next to it. This is where the fun begins. Click on Magic Eraser and you'll notice your cursor changes shape. That's Canva's way of letting you know you're now in eraser mode. All you have to do is glide your cursor over the areas you want to remove. For example, let's say you have a product photo with a random hand or shadow in the corner. Just drag your cursor gently over that part and watch Canva work its magic. Within a second or two, that element disappears and blends seamlessly with the rest of the image. It's super intuitive, but here's a little tip. Move slowly and use short strokes when erasing smaller or more detailed areas. This gives you more control and helps you avoid accidentally removing something you wanted to keep. And if that happens, don't panic. You can always hit Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z on Mac to undo, or click the undo button at the top left. Canva lets you redo as well, so you can keep adjusting until it looks just right. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click Done or simply click outside the image to exit editing mode. Canva will automatically save your progress, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. Now take a moment to review your final image. You'll notice how clean and polished it looks, as if the unwanted object was never there. This feature is perfect for creating product listings, thumbnails, presentations, or even professional headshots without having to open Photoshop. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Canva's magic eraser tool to quickly and effortlessly clean up your images. It's such a time saver and a great way to keep your designs looking sharp and professional. So next time you're editing a photo, remember, a little magic erasing can make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future Canva tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more Canva tricks to level up your creative projects.